Hemant sir has given India one of the under 19 Heram is a medium-based who is playing for India under 19. One of the best coaches. He has his book, which has gone to the encyclopedia levels. The copybook of the basics of cricket, and himself grinds self-toiler and self-making a cricketer. Hemant sir, and I'm coming back to you.
Worthy suggestions and a crispy speech. I would like to request Baby Nishka to present a bouquet to Sir Shiva Pagrani. A warm welcome, sir. And sir, my pleasure to invite you, Director of Yogi Groups and a cricket fanatic who focuses on a lot of cricket-related activities in UAE, sir, to speak a few words on this occasion.
First of all, good evening. It's not my mistake to be late here. The flight was supposed to take off at 3:15. They had to change the aircraft because there was a technical fault onto it. But thanks God, they got the right aircraft and I'm here. I'll just take it very casually and I'll not take much long. I don't wear blazers at all. When Ambe told me there is a blazer event, पहले तो मेरे को बोला यार एक घरेलू event है, family है, मैं ठीक है यार चलेंगे. Then he got a blazer done for me. It was very difficult to absorb that. And when my family, my sons came to know that it's a blazer event, Papa, lagne wali hai aaj. I was under the pressure as it is. Anyways, so that blazer talks about it. I'll take it up with Ambe again. He told a few words about me. It's not that because of me he's here, it's because of his parents. He's inside our company, he's working in our company. It's all the blessings of his father, his mother, his wife, who is always along, Veena, beautiful person. And talking about Ambe, it started with the game cricket. When I got a little bit serious again with Yogi Group Cricket Club in 99, I guess, or probably 2000. 2000 somewhere, yeah. I got a call from him and we exchanged contacts, and that's how it went. He came down as a site engineer in my company, worked very hard, turned into a site engineer, senior site engineer, then he became a projects engineer, then he became a projects manager. Today it's been around 15 to 17 years old if I'm not mistaken. Now he's the the division manager of the GRC division in Dubai, heading 2 factories from Ajman and from Ajman. It's very, very close to my family. There are, in the Yogi Group of companies, we have got around 180 people in the management level, where he's one of them. There is nobody as close as he is to my family. When he comes closer to my family is all boiling, like, why is he here? But he's the closest. Now, don't ask me why, Ambe, but you know it everywhere. Okay, now I'll come back to the cricketing part of it. Now, you see, it becomes very difficult to have a cricketing buddy from last 17 years or 16 years. At the same time, one of the buddy is a boss of his. And we are handling a division which is, temperature always rising high. We and me, Ambe, are not sitting like this and not talking about each other like this. We are fighting in the office. So it becomes very difficult. At the same time, we finish the office at 5:30 and go and play a game at 7:30 in the evening, where it's totally flip. The boss turns into a buddy, and this person who's my employee turns into a buddy also. So you see, it's totally a different scenario. Then I have to cool down my anger, I have to control him. I said, नहीं यार अभी गेम जीतना भी ज़रूरी है, अभी इसको कैसे हैंडल करूँ, 5 ओवर इससे भी कराने के सुबह को. So that's how it is, and I'll take it up to Ambe. The person is a die-hard man. He doesn't leave anything loose. The task he is taking it up, he makes sure he finishes that very well packed and gives it back to the management. Management realizes that it has come through a very aggressive part, but then eventually he packs it very well and he gives it to them. That's why he's with Yogi Group of Company from last 16 years. There was a hitch in the middle. He came back to Goa for a year or so. I think he had some resident problems at back home and plus something back in Dubai. But I don't know, it was a magnetic effect what we had, and it was a joint thing. We spoke to each other. Thanks to Veena, I should say, she took the call, which was benefited to him also and benefited to our company also. And it's been, the second break has been around 4 years if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So that's how about Ambe is. And coming back from Dubai Cricket Council point of view, I don't take care of the senior cricket. No, I do take, but that cricket is on an autopilot mode. Yeah, we don't need to do anything. It's just leave it and it just floats by itself. So if I keep working on it, तो youth level को हम लोग को ज़्यादा बढ़ावा देना है, तो उस कारण से youth level पे हमारा ज़्यादा ध्यान जाता है. And youth cricket in Dubai is in cricket Dubai is as it is dying off. So what happens is going into the grassroots level. What happens is the typical Indian mentality thinks, staying in Dubai, thinks that my son wants to become a cricketer. If he becomes a big cricketer, that is good. If he doesn't, then what? Then they start thinking about it. So the expatriate's living is over there for the child to turn into 19 years. Then he touches his college, and then the priorities are changed. It's not cricket anymore. Then it's his job, his future. So that's how Dubai is always left abandoned as far as a cricketer reach at 17 to 19 years of age. Yeah. My daughter is also a cricketer. Thanks to Ambe again. He gave it to her. She touched the UAE level. Because of an injury, she's been out from last 1 year. Otherwise, that was the other, milestone what Ambe took in our family by making my daughter a cricketer, which is in Pagrani family. There has never happened a daughter coming out and becoming a sportsman. Yeah. So when he's talking about Goa, there is something he's doing in Dubai also. This is only one example I can give him because that's all I know. He's doing too much over there, but itna mujhe malum hai ki mere ghar ka, to I keep a dhyan on it. So I'll not take much of your time, guys. Congratulations on your book, Ambe. I'll make sure I go through that. And congratulations for Goa, with all these people sitting around me. I'm surrounded. Again, he told me it's a family event. I don't know, it's such a big family. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Thank you. Nice to have you. Thank you.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सिवा सर फॉर दिस स्पीच. हाच्या उपरांत हांव सगळ्यांच्या वतीन मागता आमचे भोवमानेस्त ग्रामविकास मंत्री श्री जयेश बाब साळगांवकर हांचे लागीं, जे स्वता एक खेळमोगी तर आसातच पूण स्वता एक बरे क्रिकेटर आसात, तांच्या लागीं मागता की आयचे मुखेल सोयरे ह्या नात्यान तुमी उलोवप.
Good evening, friends. On the days, Shri Jatin Pranspe, Mr. Shiva, Sir Dilip Salgaonkar, Mr. V.M. Prabhudesai, my friend Ambe, Jyoti Kukalkar, and Sampada Publications, Sampada herself, my friends and fellow cricketers. When I used to play for college, SS Tempo College, and some of my good friends who played for Goa. I played very little cricket, but first of all, I would like to make a mention about the protocol thing which Ambe spoke. Protocol is you get to speak the last, and when you come to speak here, most of the points are covered. So whatever I had noted down, and I was ready for the speech today. I said, so every speaker coming and saying all my points. And finally, what Jatin also said, like what he wanted to speak, Anna has already spoken about it. But the best part of speaking last is you can pick up some points from the speakers and elaborate a little on that. So the first thing which I could only praise Ambe actually today. After whatever I had to speak is already spoken out. I can only say something good about Ambe, the college days, how he spent, all that. But still, I would like to say something on what Dilip sir has just said about Ambe. That Ambe, he doesn't remember that Ambe played for his club. We studied in Tempo College. The classes in which Ambe studied, I don't believe even the students remember who Ambe is. Except for the sports, the people who played cricket or, the outstanding Dempoets who used to always be standing out of the college. Ambe was a very good friend, and he's a very good. We are always on Facebook, chatting and sharing each other's, liking each other's posts. Very hardworking. He was the best and the most handsome-looking guy in college. Although he called me the handsome minister or whatever he called me just now, but he was the most good-looking guy. Even at this age, when he's losing his hair, he dares to shave one side of it. Very little will have those guts. When you're losing your hair. Even I can't dare to do that. But a very die-hard cricketer, and he's spoken a lot good about me. We played together for Dempos. We won trophies for Dempos, and we used to mostly. I don't think I should say this, but myself, Ambe, we hardly must have attended 30 lectures for 5 years. So I didn't know who my class teacher was. I didn't know which other students I studied with. But we were there as Dempo H. I went on to become the general secretary of Dempo, but good old days. Shreya and they are both here. Her husband. We had a reunion recently. I couldn't make it even then. There was a chance to meet all the friends, the old friends. Talking about Ambe. Ambe mentioned about me that I was a very good off spinner and that I look somewhat like Rajesh Chauhan. Initially, when I played for my club, I was a fast bowler. I used to bowl fast, and Sagun Kamath, we played for the same club. Although Sagun Kamath was a very junior to me, but we played for the same club. And then I used to bowl fast, and they used to hate me when I used to bowl the bouncers. The bouncers. Then when I reached at college level, I saw likes of Sudhin Kamath. Sudhin Kamath, Swapan Chatterjee, and there were some other local guys who used to bowl very well. I said, I will not get a chance in this. looking at the likes of Sudhin Kamath and all, better change to something else. Betting, there was good lineup for betting also. So where would I fit in? I said, I will bowl leg spinners. And then I see Ambe Parvatkar coming in. So there also I don't get a chance. Okay, I better bowl off spin then. Nobody. There is no off spinner in the team. And one thing good about me is sir, I'm very good at grasping. I copied Rajesh Chauhan. And like Ambe said, you had a very good off spinner. I used to spin a lot. I was a guy who went on to take someone like Manoj Kharde's place in Goa team. Yeah, and Manoj Kharde was the best bowler, Goa head, and I played under 19, taking Manoj Kharde's place. When I was playing a local club and Manoj Kharde was playing clubs like Chogles and other clubs, and that time I don't know whether it was luck but I used to spin a lot, from one end to other. Like how Shane Warne used to turn the leggies from behind used to, but luckily if Sagun player like left hand like Sagun Kamath, I used to do that, bowl them out from behind. Again, what Dilip sir has just said, don't remember Ambe. I also mentioned it happens givers usually don't remember, but the takers do. And when I was a general secretary at Dempo College, Dilip sir had given a beautiful speech. He was called there as a guest speaker for one function, and he came there. And I just mentioned to him, I said, other than your surnames, I don't remember anything about you. Just because you are a Salgaonkar, I am a Salgaonkar. Amchi Kul Devi ek. Okay, Jay Salgaonkar. Only that much, and he's a minister today. Okay, besides that, I don't know anything about Jay Salgaonkar. But Ambe, your answer to that, Hope you get your answer. So Dilip sir don't remember that Ambe also played but Ambe was a die-hard cricketer, and he used to come once in a while to college. He used to be hanging out with the girls mostly, not giving us much of a time. Again, speaking about Dilip sir just made a mention about the government. And how government is supporting the sports, that his father had made an application to the government. He himself has made one application to the government. I remember when I used to play, and I asked him, sir, what kind of application you had made, what was the content? So he said his father also made a similar application, that we should encourage sports. I can support few sports personnel who have done good, who are really doing good at state level, or who are far better than the others. Should do something for the budding talent there is in Goa. And I also strongly believe in that. When I used to play cricket, Mr. Angle is here. Dayesh was a friend of mine. Whenever I I used to go to his shop, I used to mention, sir, but I used to mention it last when I used to buy things. You know, I used to go to Anglesh and I used to buy things first, and then I used to say, "Sir, Dayesh was a friend. We played together." नाल्यार पयलीं सराक दिसपाक ना कितें डिस्कावंट मागपाक लागून सांगता. So I used to mention it at the last. Jayesh येयलो मागीर परतो म्हणटा. Then he जालो familiar जालो after 2-3 visits. But that time we used to go to his place, and with what we used to get is 300 rupees for a tour. And with 300 rupees you had to either buy a shoe or you had to buy and that's it. And I still remember, I would like to make a mention. My friend Armando is here. I don't know whether he remembers me. A lot of my friends are here actually, and they are guessing whether I know them. You know, whether I still recognize them. Ramdas and Rajesh is there. Armando is there. Armando and I myself, we were in 11th standard that time. And after that, we lost contact. I've seen him after long times, from 11th standard till today. And coming back to my cricketing old days. And I played for Goa. And under 15, when Mr. Dhuri was a captain, and it was against Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu batted, no, we batted first, and Rajesh Naik and Samir Kavlekar went on to bat. They scored around 140, and Rajesh Naik was on 90s, and Samir Kavlekar was on somewhere around 30 or 25 or 30, and Goa was on 140. And after lunch, Rajesh Naik got out. Soon after that, Samir Kavlekar got out, and the wickets started falling out. You know, everybody started getting out. The best batsmen were in the pavilion, and then I get to, because I was off spinner. And before for the selections, Mishkin comes and asks me, "Are tu thizar kya yelolo? You played for Dempos, right? Dempos, and this is quite different, okay? This is state, and you played for Dempos." And I was a go-getter, like Dempo and state padya re. Here I am off spinner here, and and I can spin this much, you know. And so I was second last, or I came down very late.
You are talking off spin, the best off spinner of Goa is sitting right in front of you.
Mr. Angle sir, he might not recognize me. So national cap up, I'm so Madgaon, itan Angle sir, okay. He went Angle. I used to see him bat, a very good batsman. Sagle asa, Shadav asa, Sagun asa. Sagun I remember, you know, I used to play for Stamina. Sagun used to play for Stamina, and Sagun used to play in his veranda. ते खेळटाले आणि 500 600 स्कोर करतालो अंडरआर्म आणि अशें बॅट करून खेळप. इज नॉट लेट द बॉल पास बाय. आणि सगुणाक हांव म्हणजे माय वे ऑफ बॅटिंग वॉज लायक, यू नो, कम स्टार्ट हिटिंग एंड टप सिक्सरी मारल्यो 50-60, and they used to purposely keep me down the line so that whenever we are in need of score, I used to just come and hit it out and win the game for us. And सगून म्हणपाक लागलो, अरे पण म्हणला सगून कितें रे तूं, म्हणला इतलो यू आर प्लेइंग फॉर गोवा रणजी एंड ऑल. जयेशाक पळय रे टप मारतान गेलो, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो द टेक्निकलिटी ऑफ इट, हाव द गेम इज टू बी प्लेड. आमची बस काम बॉल दिसलो मिडल इट and just, you know, see to it the ball is out, what do you call it, above the ropes or whatever, you know. So the first ball I faced for that match, and the first ball I hit a sixer for that under 15. When the team is, I'm second last batsman, and I hit the first ball sixer. I remove my cap, my bat, and I just wave at the pavilion. And coach says, "Are kite century mal lade." But good old days, and Tamil Nadu went on to score some 500 odd runs. We were out 190, and Tamil Nadu scored the first inning itself, and they were declared as winners. It was a 3 days match, and Tamil Nadu, you know, we were not even allowed to bat, given a chance to bat. So it was that. Coming to Dilip sir again. Sir, you said about giving chance, because you spoke about the government. Mark Butt again is a friend, idol actually. Mark Butt, a very good windsurfer. I had lots of friends in Donepal, and amongst those, Mark Butt was a hero. You know, I remember.